Designing a business application with the help of AI, artificial intelligence. From my diary. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, consultant, mentor, and YouTuber. Designing a business application with the help of AI involves leveraging artificial intelligence techniques and technologies to enhance various aspects of the system. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can incorporate AI into your design system for a business application. 1. Define your goals. Determine the specific objectives you want to achieve with your business application. Identify areas where AI can add value, such as automating repetitive tasks, improving decision-making, enhancing user experience, or optimizing processes. 2. User research and feedback. Conduct thorough user research to understand the needs, pain points, and preferences of your target users. Gather feedback from potential users and stakeholders to identify areas that can be improved using AI. 3. Identify AI use cases. Based on your goals and user research, identify specific use cases where AI can be applied. For example, you might consider using natural language processing, NLP, for chatbots or virtual assistants, machine learning for predictive analytics, or computer vision for image recognition. 4. Data collection and preparation. AI models require large and relevant data sets for training. Determine the data you need to collect or access, and establish processes to ensure data quality, privacy, and security. Clean and pre-process the data to remove noise and outliers, and ensure it's in a suitable format for AI algorithms. 5. AI model selection and development. Choose appropriate AI algorithms and techniques based on your use cases and available data. This could involve developing machine learning models, utilizing pre-trained models, or using cloud-based AI services. Collaborate with data scientists and AI experts to develop and fine-tune the models. 6. Integration with the design system. Integrate the AI components seamlessly into your design system. This includes incorporating AI-powered features into the user interface, UI, designing intuitive workflows for AI-driven processes, and creating visual elements to convey AI outputs effectively. 7. Usability testing. Conduct usability tests to ensure that the AI-powered features are intuitive and user-friendly. Gather feedback from users and make iterative improvements based on their suggestions and pain points. 8. Continuous improvement. AI models can be refined and improved over time. Continuously collect user feedback, monitor system performance, and update the AI models periodically to enhance accuracy, relevance, and overall system performance. 9. Ethical considerations. Consider the ethical implications of using AI in your business application. Ensure transparency and accountability in AI decision-making processes. Address potential biases and privacy concerns to build trust among users. 10. Training and support. Provide training and support to users to help them understand and utilize the AI-powered features effectively. Offer documentation, tutorials, and user guides to assist users in maximizing the benefits of the AI-enabled business application. Remember that incorporating AI into a design system requires a multidisciplinary approach involving designers, developers, data scientists, and domain experts. Collaboration among these teams will ensure the successful integration of AI technology into your business application. Thank you.